Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. So today I'm making a kara for the cold and cough. This is very best home remedy for the cold and cough. Let's get started. Now the ingredients for the kara is 2 cup of water, some ginger and the cardamom, that is elaichi, tea, gur and black pepper. So if you don't like the taste of gur, you can also add the honey in the kara. Now there are few steps or method for the making kara. The first step is to bring making kara. Add hot cup in a pan. The second step is crush all the ingredients that is mixed in a hot water. Now the third step is add all the crushed ingredients in this kara. Cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes till it reduces to half. Now our kara is ready for serve. Now our kara is ready and this is very much beneficial for the cold and cough and even fever. This works best for protecting you against seasonal infections. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and try at your home till best take care of yourself.